And here we have the Kentech T-4689 atomic digital loud twin bell dual alarm clock. Unusually unique. I'll bet you don't have one of these. The Kentech model T-4689 is a combination of great design, function, and accuracy. This clock automatically receives a radio-controlled signal from the WWVB US official atomic clock in Fort Collins, Colorado daily. This ensures split-second accuracy and is updated every single day. The loud mechanical twin bell alarms won't let you sleep too long, plus there are two of them, each operating independently to wake two people at different times. Bright blue backlight on demand with easy to find top mounted light and snooze button. Twin mechanical loud bell alarms, easy to see 3/4 inch high numbers, dual independent alarms, alarm options for weekday and weekend, super cute feet and tail for extra stability, bright white durable plastic casing, 100% battery operated, requires 3 AAA batteries not included. Quality by Kentech.